go see who's at the door for you. What? There's nothing out there?
Right here.
Why don't you open the door and look down? Open the door.
This door?
Yes. What's that?
I don't know.
What is that?
Let's see. There. There.
What is it?
I don't know what it is.
Is it an elf?
It's like a toy.
It's
Almost everything.
Can you look at me and hold it and say cheese?
No, I don't.
Look, let me see. What is it? Can you show me what it is?
No, it is.